Hello and welcome. In today's video, I want to show you how you can use ChatGPT to learn skills and also earn money in 30 days. Let's go to my screen and I'll show you how it is done. You go to ChatGPT and you type act like a career coach based on popular online side hustles. List the top 5 skills I could learn in 30 days to start making money fast. Include estimated income and startup. When you type this to chat GPT, you press enter and it will do its magic. Now, this is the result I got. So just keep watching and learning. Can you see? Just watch and see. These are different things that I can do to earn money in 30 days. And you see recommendation plan, what to start with. So it's showing you step by step what you need to do and the skill that you need to learn and the plans that you need to follow. As you can see, it's showing you your goal, 30-day action plan, the tools that you need. Week 1, can you see learn and build? Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, in that order. As you can see, week 2, create your portfolio and profile. You can see it. You can see week 3, get clients. Day 4, can you see that? That is power of Chat GPT. Week 4, scale up. Day 22, day 23, day 24, upsell. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and the 30th day. Estimated earnings. So you have seen that. So that is the power of Chat GPT and how you can use it to your advantage. I guess this has opened your eyes to the power of Chat GPT. If you find this valuable, please share it to your loved ones and to those that may want to start any money online using ChatGPT.